the year comes to an end, here's a quick look at some of the key business highlights from around the world.
India's growth story is expanding beyond metros. The new wave of demand is by the rural and small-time consumers. From digital payments to fast-moving goods, the heartland is the new frontier. India's consumer market is shifting gears from elite urban centers to smaller towns and rural regions. Digital connectivity, financial inclusion, and aspirational lifestyles are powering this change. New brands are emerging to target middle and lower income segments. E-commerce players are localizing their strategies, unlocking untapped potential. With over 60% of the population outside metros, the opportunity is massive. India's next economic surge may come from places long overlooked.
Natural gas is powering the global energy balance as LNG exports hit a record high. From Qatar to the US, the overall focus is on meeting the demand from the surging Asian nations. Liquefied natural gas exports are soaring amid the world's energy transition. Strong demand from Asia and Europe is reshaping trade flows. The US, Australia, and Qatar remain the dominant players in this field. New capacity additions are expected through 2026 to meet needs for cleaner fuels. Geopolitical realignments are influencing long-term contracts and prices, while LNG is solidifying its role as the bridge fuel of the decade.
Africa is taking center stage as global powers compete for its minerals and energy reserves. From cobalt to copper, the continent is redefining commodity geopolitics. Global demand for critical minerals is pushing Africa into strategic focus. Nations rich in resources are navigating partnerships with China, the US, and Europe. Cobalt, lithium, and rare earth elements are the new battlegrounds. Governments are reforming policies to secure greater local value. Infrastructure and green tech investments are increasing across key states. Africa's role is shifting from raw supplier to power player in the commodity chain.
The Suez Canal and the Red Sea may open in 2026, which will ease the strain on global supply chains and, most importantly, reduce the transportation costs. Since November 2023, effectively the area has been closed for shipping and transportation, mainly due to the Houthi rebel attacks. After months of restricted traffic, the Suez Canal is back in full operation. Its reopening restores an essential route connecting Europe, Asia, and Africa. Commodity traders welcome lower transit times and easing freight costs. Oil, gas, and agricultural shipments will see smoother global circulation, and the reopening brings stability to logistics after years of volatility. For global trade, 2026 begins with a powerful sign of recovery.
Dubai's property market surges yet again, driven by global investors and resilient demand. Luxury living meets economic confidence in the shining hub of Dubai. Dubai's real estate sector continues its record-breaking climb into 2026. Foreign investors are drawn by tax advantages, lifestyle, and long-term visas. High-end properties see consistent demand from Europe and the Gulf. The city's economic diversification supports an expanding housing base. Developers are launching sustainable and tech-integrated projects. Dubai remains the benchmark for resilience in global real estate markets.